Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, a free classified for print shops. So this is video 5. I've modified this. I notched it out so it can take 5 32nd inch tubes. So you can kind of see it right here. See, it's notched out. So what I did was, took a long time, and I just went like that, and the tube fits in there now, and I can clamp on in the back. So that's my modification. Instead of putting rubber on the side to make it bigger over here, I just filed it down, made a square notch. It took like 20 minutes, and let's try it. We have 2 different things. We have this clip art again, so we're gonna go backwards. It's kind of okay. We put it in. That worked. Well, we got to go in a different angle on that one. Okay. Okay. So let's do the one with a valve with 8. And the shorter these things are, the harder they are to pull out by hand, because somebody always does that, and it's not fun. That's 1, 2. Oh, didn't get that one. I might file it down a little bit more. We got half of them done. Maybe the manufacturer of these PLATATO, I don't even know how they came up with that name, will make this modification. Or maybe they think I ruined it. Well, that's a bad angle. It came out anyway. It needs to be filed down a little bit. So those are all off. Look at that. So I'll do a video on how to take these things out later. But here's the PLATATO. Here's the groove I put right there. So that's what you can do to make so a smaller tube can be removed if you want. I don't think it affects anything like the durability or anything like that. I'm not sure if these are screws. I might put some Loctite. They always have these problems with this type of tool with screws coming loose, but we'll see. I don't know about durability. Maybe I'll do another video after a month of use. So, but I actually like this tool, and it's not expensive. So have fun with it. I think you should buy it if you're doing this a lot. And please like my videos and go to screenprintexchange.com. Thank you.